Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can watch anime for free and legally on YouTube. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to watch anime for free and legally on YouTube, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, of course, you will need to open your YouTube. And after opening your YouTube, next, I want you to search for Muse Asia. And after searching, you will now be able to see the Muse Asia channel. By the way guys, if you are wondering what is Muse Asia, it's an official YouTube channel where you can watch full episodes and series of anime for free and legally. Muse Asia has the proper licenses from anime studios to stream shows, so you can watch the anime while supporting the creators. So now that you can see the Muse Asia channel, just go and tap it. And once you're on the channel, next, I want you to go to the video tab. And here at the video tab, you will now be able to see many full episodes of anime you can watch, so just select whatever you like. But if you're struggling to find the anime that you want to watch here in the video tab, just go to the playlist. And here in the playlists tab, you will see all the anime properly organized by series. This will make it easier for you to browse and find the anime that you like, and it will also be easier for you to find all the episodes. And once you've selected an anime, you will now be able to see all the episodes of the series, so just select the one you like and then you will be able to watch it. But if you're still struggling to find the anime that you like even here in the playlist tab, then the last way for you is to just search the anime. So to search, first, I want you to type in Muse Asia, and then follow it by the name of the anime you want to watch. And after searching, there you go guys, you will now be able to find the anime that you like. So you can now either tap the video or playlist and then you will now be able to watch it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.